Plotted in 1913, brick streets, beautiful tree canopy, Palmetto Park is located in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. Hi folks, I'm Tom O'Brien. Welcome to Palmetto Park. Spanning from 22nd Street South to 34th Street South, from Central Avenue to 8th Avenue South, it is sandwiched in between Central and the Arts District. It's a single-family neighborhood consisting of 377 acres. Palmetto Park has everything a family would want. Well-kept playground, beautiful community garden, or hop on your bike and ride the Pinellas Trail, or take advantage of all the dining and entertainment options that beautiful downtown St. Pete has to offer. 1 mile to the pier, 3 miles to the beach, and with the new PSTA Sunrider bus line, you can have your toes in the sand every 15 minutes. Palmetto Park is home to a multitude of locally owned shops, boutiques, breweries, distilleries. The creative juices are strong in this community. Palmetto Park is a true walkable neighborhood located in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida, a great place to call home. Come visit us.